Have you ever wondered why two YouTubers with the same exact number of views end up making different amount of money? In today's video, I'm going to explain to you why your earnings end up being higher or lower than someone else's. So stick around because I will share real insights on RPM and niche. So let's start here. Imagine creator A and creator B both got 100,000 views. You would think they will earn the same amount of money, right? But you are wrong. Their earnings could be widely different because of one thing: RPM. RPM is what truly tells you how much you earn per thousand views after YouTube takes their cut. So the first thing that determines your pay is your niche. Your niche is one of the biggest factors that determines how much you earn per thousand views. For instance, a channel talking about finance, real estate might earn $10 to $25 per thousand views. So think of companies like software companies, fintech, and investment tools. For instance, finance niches pays $15 to $25 per thousand views, while entertainment niches pays $1 to $3 per thousand views. Make money online niches pays $5 to $10 per thousand views. So another determinant for your earnings is your audience location. It doesn't matter where you are doing your video, where you are posting from, the country you are posting from. What matters is those that are watching, the audience that are watching, the country they reside in. Your audience location has a direct impact on your earnings. Views from US, UK, Canada, and Australia tend to attract higher rates, while views from Nigeria, India, and the Philippines attract lower CPM, even if your content is amazing. If most of your audience are from the low CPM countries, your earnings will be lower. For instance, 100,000 views from the US, Canada will earn you $500 to $1,000. While 100,000 views from India, Nigeria will earn you $40 to $100. So the next one is shorts versus long form videos. You might think all views are equal, but they are not. Short and long form content have different monetization structure. In 2025, YouTube pays short creators from the shorts ads revenue pool, which often result to lower RPM compared to long form videos. While a channel doing prank and lifestyle might earn $1 to $3 per thousand views. This is because advertisers are willing to pay more money to be placed in front of audiences that are willing to pay for high ticket services. So think of companies like software companies, fintech, and investment tools. For instance, finance niches pays $15 to $25 per thousand views, while entertainment niches pays $1 to $3 per thousand views. Long form content allows mid-row ads, higher engagement, and better targeting. So that is why long form content usually earns more per view. 100,000 views on shorts might earn you $5 to $200, while 100,000 views on long form videos might earn you $300 to $1,000 depending on your niche. So now, how much can a small channel realistically earn in 2025? So guys, here is the breakdown. Meaning, if your video gets 50,000 views in a high RPM niche, you could earn $500 or more, even as a small creator. So there you have it. If your views are not turning into dollars, check your niche, your audience location, and your content type. So focus on content that will attract high paying audience and keep testing what works best for your channel. So drop in the comment section what your RPM is. Let's learn and compare. So drop in the comment section what your RPM is. Let's compare and learn from each other. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. I will see you in my next one.